Hey, feels like the third halo in 4 days. Whole sky is blue. Except for right there. A little bit of white. So, it's a halo going for a short walk in the woods. Okay. Halos are good, you know. In the old... I worked outdoors on golf courses, lawn maintenance, etc. And I never ever saw a halo until 2015. The first halo I got was a red one. I could send it to you. This is just a mild halo. It has spiritual significance, symbolic significance, okay? Halos, lights have halos, angels have halos, you know. And I don't know. A lot of people, they never look up. So God knows what could be going on in the sky over wherever, you know. Anyway, that's it. Okay, halo. Beautiful sky today, all blue. The halos to me are indicative of the time we live in. It's just high strangeness, you know. I think they happen more around certain people for whatever reason, right? Okay, I'm gonna stop this. I don't want to be like David Attenborough, the nature guy. I gotta go. Damn bug keep flying. Why are they always attracted to the eyes? I'm not talking about mosquitoes or deer flies. They haven't come yet. It's still thankfully. Wow, it is a pretty nice halo, huh, folks? Huh? Can you see it? You know, when I think about the pictures with the people and they have halos over their head, I thought, what if it was just, you know, what if it was just, they wrote it like that, but it was because those people, wherever they went, there would be halos in the sky, right? I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm gonna stop it, all right? Just tap into love and be mindful and try to have time to yourself to think about the day and your behavior, you know, and you know, so you learn. I had to go to therapy now, so again, wonder why though. I believe that we affect the world more than we realize, and certain people affect it more. Depends how immersed you are in the game of life, I think. You know what I mean? That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to immerse yourself in the game of life 99% of the time, but maybe we're living in a time where, you know, it's undeniable. And there's so many distractions everywhere. People don't have a minute to themselves to think about anything, really, by design. I'm not trying to make it sound ominous or negative. It isn't. Okay? All right, that's it. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.